Good morning, kids. Today again we will learn about fun with numbers. Here are topic given. Number 4 clockwise and anti-clockwise. Number 5 be quick. Number 6 rack your brains. Rack your brains. Kids, today's our first topic is clockwise, anti-clockwise. So kids, what is the meaning of clockwise and what is the meaning of anti-clockwise? Kids, see here. Clockwise means when an object moves in the same direction as the clock's hand. It's called clockwise. When an object moves in the same direction as the clock's hand, it's called clockwise. And anti-clockwise rotation is just the opposite. Anti-clockwise rotation is just the opposite. If the object rotates in opposite direction, it's called anti-clockwise. Understood? Kids, our fifth topic is be quick. Our fifth topic is be quick. Number 1. Say in the question 1, I have 6 at the ones place. I am greater than 60 but less than 70. So kids, here again tens and ones. So at the place of ones, 6 and I am greater than 60 but less than 70. So kids, here we will put at the place of tens 6. So here it's greater than 60 but less than 70. So answer is 66. Now kids, see in the second question, a 2-digit even number having 8 at once place and 4 at tens place. So kids, again tens and ones, right? So here having 8 at ones place and 4 at tens place. So 48. So 48 is our second answer. Now question number 3. Circle the number that does not belong to the group 9, 21, 32 and 43. So kids, here all given numbers are odd number, right? So number 9 is odd number, number 21 is odd number, 32 is odd. No, 32 is not odd number. So we circle on the number 32 and kids, 43 is also odd number. So we circle on the number 32. Now kids, see in the question 4. Which century does the year 1947 belong to? Which century does the year 1947 belonging to? So kids, 20th century is the belongs 1947. So kids, all of you remember 20th century. So now see in the question 5th. A 2-digit odd number with 3 at ones place and 5 at tens place. Again tens and ones, kids. So here 3 at ones place, 3 at ones place and 5 at tens place, 5 at tens place. So answer is 53. Now kids, say in the question number 6. Say in the question number 6. Mr. A has 2 children, X and Y. Mr. A has 2 children, X and Y. But X says, Y is my brother. What X says? Y is my brother. But Y says, X is not my brother. But Y says, X is not my brother, right? So, who is X? Who is X? So, kids, here 3 probability are there for between X and Y. First probability, X and Y both are brother and sister. Second probability, X and Y, brother and brother. And third probability, X and Y both are sisters. So in this question, X says Y is my brother, Y is X brother. So here our first probability is right for question 6, because X is sister of Y. X is sister of Y. X is sister. Right, kids? I hope all of you understood. So, kids, in this chapter, our last topic is rack your brains. Our last topic is rack your brains. Now, kids, in the first question, I am tall when I am young and I am short when I am old. So, what am I? Kids, think. I am tall when I am young and I am short when I am old. Yes, a candle. A candle. See in the second question, in a single story pink house, there was a pink person, a pink cat, a pink fish, a pink computer, a pink chair, and a pink table, a pink telephone, a pink shower. Everything was pink. What color were their stairs? So stair is in what color? Kids, all of you think stair is also pink stair, right? But no, kids, see here, single story pink house. So there are no stairs because of its single story house, right? Now, question number 3. What has hands but cannot clap? What has hands but cannot clap? So, write a clock. Number 4. Which weighs more, a kilogram of feathers or a kilogram of brick? Which weighs more, feathers or a kilogram brick? But kids, both are equal because of here asking of about weight, right? So weight are equal, 1 kg, right? So both are equal weight. Number 5. How many months have 28 days? How many months have 28 days? See kids, here months. Here asked months, not only the month, right? So in all 12 months are 28 days. In all 12 months have 28 days, because of here not mentioned only which month. Here written how many months. Right, kids? So all 12 months in 28 days. Now number 6. What is full of holes but still holds water? What is full of holes but still holds water? A sponge. A sponge. I hope all of you understood. Bye bye. See you soon.